Cleaning up temporary files the safe way. Every program you run leaves crumbs behind. Installer files, update caches, thumbnails, crash reports. Over a few years, these quietly swallow tens of gigabytes, and a lot of people turn to sketchy cleaning tools that promise miracles and sometimes break things instead. You don't need them. Windows already has everything built in. Open Settings, go to System, then Storage. You'll see a breakdown of exactly what's using your space. Click Temporary Files, and Windows shows which categories are safe to remove, with a checkbox for each. Delivery Optimization files. Previous Windows installations and the recycle bin are usually the biggest wins. Just be careful with the previous installation folder, because deleting it removes your ability to roll back a recent upgrade. While you're there, switch on Storage Sense so this happens automatically every month. That's it. No third-party registry cleaners, no risky one-click optimizers, no accidentally deleting something your system needs.